If Opera is showing a security error and websites are refusing to load, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll start by turning off Opera's built-in VPN. Then we'll clear the local SSL cache in Windows, test the site in a private window, and finally check whether an extension is causing the issue. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, look at the top of Opera and find the blue VPN badge next to the address bar. This little badge is useful in some cases, but it can also cause a security error if the proxy server node is congested, mismatched, or blocked by the website. Click the VPN badge and toggle it off. Once it is disabled, reload the page and see if the website opens normally. In many cases, this one step alone fixes the issue right away. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the local SSL cache on your Windows computer. To do that, open your Windows Start menu and type Internet Options. Open the Internet Options panel, then go to the Content tab. On that tab, click Clear SSL State. This removes stored SSL information that may be interfering with secure connections in Opera. After clearing it, close the window and try visiting the website again. Now let's test whether the problem is specific to your browser profile or your extensions. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to open a private window in Opera. This gives you a clean browsing session with fewer saved settings affecting the site. Try loading the same website in that private window. If the site works perfectly in private mode, that is a strong sign that one of your extensions is causing the security warning. To check that, press Ctrl, Shift, and E to open your active extensions. From here, start turning off your ad blockers, tracking shields, antivirus extensions, or any privacy tools one by one. After disabling each one, reload the website and test again. The goal is to find the extension that is triggering the security flag. Once you identify it, you can leave it disabled for that site, or remove it completely if it keeps causing problems. So to quickly recap, if Opera shows a security error, first disable the built-in VPN, then clear the SSL state, then test the site in a private window, and finally check your extensions if private mode works. These steps fix a lot of Opera security issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.